Hey, how's it going? This is Owen, I'm at the Slumber Yard, and in today's video we have a solo review of the Purple Restore Hybrid Premier. Purple has 3 different collections of mattresses with 3 beds each. They have their Essential Collection, which includes the Purple Original and the Purple Plus. Then they have their Restore Hybrid Collection, which includes the bed we're talking about today. Then they have their Rejuvenate Luxe Collection, which has some of the most high-end beds you've ever tried over here. But we're going to be focusing on this bed. We're going to cover everything you need to know about it, including what it's actually made of, what's going to feel like for it to sleep on, how firm it is, how much it costs, and who might want to pick one up for themselves. If that sounds good and you find this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And we should have more information down below in the description, including any discounts you can find on this bed, so be sure to take a look. But without further ado, let's get into the review. So let's kick this thing off by briefly covering the policy information. This is stuff like shipping, returns, trial periods, and warranties. Now, just so you know, Purple did send us out this mattress for free so we could test it out and then tell you all about it. But if you want it for yourself, you start with free shipping. This is one of the mattresses from Purple that should include complimentary white glove delivery. When we received this mattress, it arrived in a box and we decided to unbox it ourselves, but there was a team there who was planning on unboxing it. If you order one of the Purple Luxe mattresses, those are going to show up full size, not roll packed in a box. It may have changed recently, so there's a chance you might have to unbox this thing yourself. This bed is very, very heavy, so if that does happen, I would recommend having someone there to help you out. But either way, you're not going to pay anything extra for shipping. This bed also comes with a 100-night in-home trial period, so you can really test it out at home to determine if you like it or not. If you decide that you don't within the trial period, you can return it and get a full refund. Purple does ask you spend 21 nights on their mattress before initiating a return, just to give your body a chance to adjust to it. If you decide that you want to keep the mattress, which you probably will if you're doing all your research, this thing is backed by a standard 10-year warranty. So a pretty baseline set of policies with this mattress and all the beds from Purple, but that's not really what you're here for. Let's get into the more important stuff now, like the construction and feel of this bed. The main support layer of this mattress is a layer of pocketed coils, but these are not your average coils. Purple calls these their Cool Flex coils, and the biggest difference between this bed and the Purple Restore Plus is that these coils are foam tipped. So instead of one big sheet of transition foam, the coils just have a little bit of foam on top, which provides you a bit more targeted support, and they also do a little bit better job at isolating motion, which is kind of nice. And then you have the main comfort layer of the Purple Restore Premier, which is that Gel Flex grid, which is what makes our Purple bed a Purple bed. This is a very unique material that we don't see on any other mattress brand, and it provides this bed a unique gel-like feel. The material itself is really bouncy and stretchy and responsive, and when you lay down on your back or your stomach, you almost feel kind of buoyant on top of the material, just like you're floating on it. But then if you switch to your side, you do get some nice cradling support of your hips and shoulders, and I think it's very, very comfortable. Not everyone agrees that it's comfortable though, because it is so different than your regular mattress that some people try it out and they just don't think it's for them. Personally, I slept on a different version of Purple for about 5 years and loved it, and I think you probably will, but definitely make sure you utilize that trial period because, again, it's not for everyone. Then the entire mattress is wrapped up in this really nice, soft, breathable cover that I really like, and it has a nice dark color which shouldn't show stains. And then moving on to the subject of firmness, this bed actually comes in 2 different firmness profiles, a soft and a firm. I think if you're interested in the Restore Premier, you will be most drawn to the soft model because it is the softest mattress that Purple makes. We have this mattress at around a medium soft, which means it should be very, very pressure relieving and plush for your hips and your shoulders. I think side sleepers will really, really like it. That firm model isn't all that firm. If you want something really firm, I would check out the base model Restore. That mattress will be around a medium firm, which is really nice for back and stomach sleepers. On the Restore Premier though, the firm model is only going to be around a medium, so it'll be a bit more accommodating for all sleeping positions. Again, I think if you're interested in the Restore Premier, you probably want something soft, and I would go with that soft model. This bed also performs quite well in a few other categories we like to test, namely edge support, motion isolation, and temperature regulation. As far as temperature regulation goes, the Purple Restore Premier is not an active cooling bed. There's no material woven into the cover that will actively cool you down while you sleep, but it is exceptional at sleeping temperature neutral. That Gel Flex grid material just doesn't really retain heat like some foams can, and because it has very little surface area, it's very breathable, especially with those coils, so it shouldn't really heat up on you at night. If you want something more active cooling, maybe check down below in the description. We might have some other options for you, but I do think if you're a hot sleeper, this will not really heat up on you like maybe other beds you've tried in the past. When it comes to edge support, there's actually a foam border around the mattress that really beefs up that edge support. And on the soft model, the edge support is almost too good. Because the outer perimeter of the mattress is so supportive, it almost pushes you back toward the center of the mattress, which is kind of interesting. But if you do happen to sleep on the outer edge, you shouldn't get any of that roll-off sensation. And as far as motion isolation goes, this mattress does a solid job at making sure you don't feel much motion transfer through the mattress. The GelFlex Grid material is super responsive, but it does a better job at isolating motion than some other beds we've tested, and those pocketed coils with the foam tips do a really nice job as well. I'm not going to say this mattress competes with Tempur-Pedic or Nectar, other memory foam mattresses in this category, but I think for a hybrid bed, it's very, very good. And then let's move over to the subject of pricing. The Purple Restore Premier is a very, very expensive mattress among some of the more expensive beds we've tested. A queen size has a retail price of $3,700, which is about $1,500 more than the base model Restore Hybrid. And the Plus model is also more affordable than this being the most expensive bed in the Restore collection. Purple usually has some kind of discount or deal throughout the year, but they generally save all their best stuff for major holidays. We do have Black Friday coming up in a couple months. They might have something for Labor Day, so be sure to look down below in the description for anything we can find on this mattress. And if you want to save the most money possible, especially if you're trying to bundle in some stuff, I would wait for a big holiday. And with all that stuff out of the way, let's try and answer the question, who is this mattress really for? And I think this is really for someone who wants the unique qualities of the GelFlex Grid from Purple, but are also looking for a bed that is very, very soft. Again, if you're not looking for a soft mattress, I might just check out the base model Purple Restore. That bed, you still get basically all the same qualities, just with a little bit less of the GelFlex Grid. Or you could check out the Purple Restore Plus, which are both more affordable than this. But if you want something really, really soft, this mattress is probably going to be your best bet because it is the softest bed that Purple makes. I don't think that many people will be interested in the firm model of this bed because, again, just get the more affordable Plus mattress and you still get all the benefits of the GelFlex Grid. But let me know what you think about this mattress. Write something in the comments. And again, tons of stuff in the description to help you with your online mattress search, so be sure to take a look. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. But that's going to do it for me. This is Owen. I'll see you in the next one.